Hey guys, gonna do a real quick video today, show you how to re-round your rings or just shape them so that they're actually round. I'll show you the shapes on these. Very ovalescent. You got a truly round one and then two ovals. So what you want to do is get a mandrel, and this is a ring sizer and a ring mandrel. And then what we'll do is grab our rubber jewelry hammer. Here we go. Get our rubber mallet. Two-sided rubber mallet. Make sure the ring is up higher than what it needs to be. So I got the oval pressing against the two smallest sides instead of the two longest, and then we'll just start hammering very gently. And as you hammer, the ring will naturally fall down onto where it truly needs to rest. And on a real mandrel, you want to hit it on the side that it's making contact with. And if it were like a ring mandrel that you were using, a ring sizer mandrel that you were using, you don't want to hit it on the flat piece where it's not making contact, because it won't really re-round it. It'll just keep moving it or bouncing it. Almost there. With these thicker sterling rings, it will take a good bit of knocking. But eventually you'll have just about a round ring. Have it a little bit better shape. Almost. Do one more time. Go. Should be good. It's definitely getting down to where it's locked in position on the ring sizer slash mandrel. So there we have a nice round ring. At least a lot more round than what it was. Now with a delicate little ring like this, you're gonna need to be very careful. You want to have it to where it's making contact with the back, and just lightly tap it, specifically on the back. Raise it up and then do it on the side again. Twist it a little bit and just keep pounding it out while you're twisting it. Be very careful. These are very delicate rings, a little bit more round. Let's see if I can do this before the camera runs out of battery. Very light taps, rotating the whole ring around and tapping the entire time while you're rotating. And there we go. Much more round ring than what it was. Might have a little bit more pounding to do, but we'll get that done in after this video. The battery's about to run out. Thanks so much for watching, guys. This has been Thrifted Hobbies. Like, subscribe, and follow the channel. Thanks, guys. Thanks for watching.